All right, so first grade starts out with reviewing of place value and then taking it a step further of representing place value with two-digit numbers. Eventually, students will be adding and subtracting two-digit numbers, but right now this is where we start out by discussing the parts of a two-digit number related to place value. So this number, 15, we would start by separating the number, putting a T for 10 for the tens place and an O for the ones place. So if you asked your child how many tens are in this number, they would say 1, 10. How many ones? 5 ones. The other thing that they learn to do with these numbers, and of course they should know that this number is 15, that would be the first thing you would want to ask them. Then you might ask them to draw it in a picture. They could either draw the base 10 blocks, which is what they learned in kindergarten. So this correlates with the manipulatives we use in class. So that kind of looks like the 10 base blocks. So that's 1, 10, and then the little cubes are 5 ones. What we focus on in first grade is learning to draw a quick picture. It saves time. It allows for a little bit more accuracy, so they're not worrying about all of those shapes. So a quick picture for the number 15 is simply a line for the 10 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots for the ones. The other part of place value is talking about looking at bundles and bundling numbers. Students should be able to know that 10 tally marks equal 110, whether it's 10 counting bears they're using, 10 Legos, 10 cubes, whatever it is, 10 marshmallows, anything around your house, you can practice bundling tens. So here, if you asked your child how many tens are in this number, they should stop and think, all right, I need 10 ones for one group of tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. Now there are 4 ones left over. So that was not asking them what number this is. This is strictly how many tens are in the number. Then if you wanted to ask them what the whole number is, they should be able, they already know there's 4 tens, so that's 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. We encourage them to be able to use what they already know, 4 tens, so they shouldn't have to go back and count. They certainly should not be counting these by ones or by fives. They should just know 4 tens, 10, 20, 30, 40. Then they can just count on to save themselves time and to save confusion. So 41, 42, 43, 44. Again, they could draw a quick picture for this. It would look like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.